Hello everyone, how are we doing today? I am back with another mukbang, and today we're going to be having salad, and today I have a delicious chef salad and honey mustard dressing. Yeah, honey mustard dressing. So I have water, of course, and I have Gatorade. So, how are you guys doing today? I am at my aunt's house. I am actually babysitting for the babies, which are her animals, which are her babies. Here's one of them right here. Actually, here's a few. This is Tilly. Hello, Tilly. Let's see. Can you see Tilly? That's Tilly. And over there is Spice. Well, Spice is doing something over there, and my hair's looking all crazy because I've been out with Tilly today. I'm trying to get more active, guys. Trying to lose some weight. Everybody, who isn't? Hello, who isn't? Anyways, cheers. Please like and subscribe. Thank you, Father, for this food. It's hot. It's beautiful. I was like, salad. It's good. Honey mustard, real good. Excuse me, phone call. But anyways, I'll call them back. Yes, people, it is so hot outside. Yummy. Tomate. Again. Jamón. Super delicioso. How is everybody today? Give me a thumbs up. Everybody, like and subscribe. I went out for the walk today with the baby, with Tilly. It felt so nice. That's the one thing I wish I could, but I travel a lot. But if I could, I would love to have a little animal, a dog. But they take a lot of responsibility. Tomato. But my favorite animal is the horse. I love horses. I'm from South America. In South America, I used to always ride horses. Jumping, dressage, Love horses. One second, people. Y'all tried this dressing? It's my first time, but oh my gosh, guys. It's great. Anyways, yeah, so how y'all doing? Mm, 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 mm. I also got this pizza my aunt got. It's got like some type of sauce. I can't remember. I know it has black olives. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. Like Alfredo sauce. I don't know. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. I'm gonna have the pizza. But I have a salad too. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. You guys, my aunt knows how to order pizza. But my aunt went to a family reunion, so I'm home at her house, taking care of the babies. Mm, 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 mm. I'm hungry. Pizza deliciosa. Mm-hmm. My auntie has 22 cats and 1 dog, and she loves them all. All of them are her babies. So just change their litter boxes. Gotta do it later on later, you know, but we'll do it twice a day. Mmm. The Alfredo sauce on pizza, oh my gosh. Mmm. Mm-hmm. They're good. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm, mm. Anybody in Bogota, Colombia who likes pizza, delicious pizza, gotta go to my family's pizza. Pizza Hojaldre. Mm-hmm. La gente colombiana que vive en Bogotá, vayan y visiten la pizza mía, no mía, pero de mi familia. Y vayan y verán que tiene una pizza hojaldre deliciosa, súper. Todas son buenas. Claro que mucho mejor que esta. Mucho mejor, porque son riquísimas. Delicioso. Buenísimo. It's called Ken's. Real good. Whoops, daisy. Pizza. Delicious. Oh, Maury's on. I gotta go. I gotta watch some Maury. I really do. I'm gonna finish up the salad and go watch some Tube. Pero bueno. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Suscríbense. It'll be my nephew's bar mitzvah. Lucas, I'm happy for you. I love you, Papi. But I can't be there. Oh, Lori, me está quedando grande. You know when you stay at other people's house, you're like, well, let me wash the dish, let me sweep the floor. And then at my house, I'm like, más tarde. Later. My eyes look all crazy. This sounded good, but the pizza made it better. Yo. Ooh, after this, I'm gonna watch some Maury. After I wash the dishes, then I'm gonna chill. Spice, what you doing, Spice? She's smelling everything. Spice, pretty girl. Spice. I'll save this for my next meal. I'm gonna ice cold this too. Warm. Meow. Oh, who is that? Peaches. Hey, Spicy. Well, hello, my darling. You gonna say hello to everybody? Spice. Oh, hello, Spice. Hello, Spicy. You say hello, everybody. I'm Spice. That's Tilly. Tilly. some of the babies. Yes, hello, Spice. Oh, what you got, huh? Hmm? It's Spice. Hello, Spice. This is so beautiful. Okay, everyone. Done. Thank you, everybody. Hope you had a delicious time eating. Look at spicy. Hello, my darling. Hello, precious. Oh, my Ginny. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Oh, look at that tail. She's just a beautiful baby girl. It's a baby girl. Say hello, everyone. Okay. Okay, anyways, goodbye to everybody. Please like and subscribe. Okay? Ciao.